Do gee 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 and change it for a wee 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 wee, just to help, because it may be better suited for your voice type. Okay, let's do mixed voice, which is my favorite. These bratty, kind of crazy witchy sounds are my favorite sounds, and I find them really freeing for the voice, and they really help to open up the voice. They're super important for mixed voice and for belt voice. So let's do some na na na, na 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 na, na na na, na 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 na, na. You just want to play around with it and just kind of get a little bit silly with it, you know? Na 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 na, na 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 na, na. And let's take this to the scale. Notice as I'm getting higher, I'm not really trying to belt it out. I'm actually just keeping my volume the same. You know, I'm not getting louder. I'm not adding more musculature to it. I'm just keeping my volume the same. It is tempting to want to just kind of, you know, go for it and increase the volume, but you just have to remind yourself just to relax on it, especially if you're the type of singer that tends to get a little bit more on the chestier side, if your chest voice is a bit more dominant, you know. And then you can also mess around with other sounds too, you know, that are maybe better suited to your voice. You just have to play around with it. I really love wows as well. So wow, 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 wow. Those ones are really great. And even the meows, meow, 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 meow. Even doing those ones as well are really cool. And they're really great for opening up the voice. So yeah, so let me just do meow, 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 meow. 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 Okay, so there you have it. Those are your vocal warm-ups, your structure. So just to reiterate, you need to do a physical warm-up. Then you need your semi-occluded vocal tract exercise ones. You can just do one exercise from that, but it's all about allowing your voice to vocalize with ease. And then you've got chest voice, warming up chest voice, making sure all of your notes are nice and clean and clear in chest voice. And then head voice, making sure that all of your notes are nice and clean in head voice and comfortable. And then you warm up a mixed voice. And again, as I said, you can tailor your warm-up duration to whatever suits you and depending on what your voice gives you on that day.